Hello friends, welcome to Kalpra's Creativity. Today we are drawing environmental drawing. I am making a circle shape with the help of plate and I have taken a chart paper. I am dividing my page. Now I am making two circles. In this I am making a car. You know the Environment Day is coming on. Guess. 31st May, 15th June, 5th June or 18th July. Oh, so you guessed the correct. The Environment Day is coming on 5th June. I have making a car upside down and a person is sitting on. Do you understand what I have drawn? I have drawn a car, but when we do it upside down, it show like a bicycle. Now I am writing slogan or a quote. I have made two leaves. Be a part of solution, not pollution. So you use car, but if you have any emergency, then only use car. Then you can use bicycle. In a bulb, I have made a tree. The tree is inside the bulb also and outside the bulb also. I have made the recycle symbol. I am making a sun now. I am drawing buildings also. Use solar energy. Use the recycling process. Because pollution is harmful for earth and for all of us. And my third part is I am making a tap and a bucket. From the tap the water is leaking out. Save water. Even a drop is very valuable and can bring life. Now I am making fish. Now I am making fish fins. I made the fishes crying. You know why? Because the ocean is getting so polluted that the fish has eaten plastics, plastic bottle, plastic bags. And now she's having very pain. So you harm the oceans and the environment. So we see the ocean is polluted with the plastics. All where there are plastics only. Don't throw plastic in the oceans. It harms them. Stop using plastic, ban them and give life. Now I am making a banyan tree. You can make any tree. Like this, I have made my tree. We get oxygen from trees. Do not cut them. Otherwise, we will be deprived of oxygen one day. So, grow trees and save them. and save environment also. Now I am designing in my earth. Now I am sketching with the black sketch pen. Now I am coloring it, so I have taken my marker, or you can take black color to color it. I have done a shading, the red and yellow. Now I am giving the background brown and blue. I am coloring in sun, the yellow color, and in the building I am coloring brown, and in the recycle symbol I am coloring dark green. In the trees I have colored dark green, which is inside the bulb. See friends, and which is outside the bulb I have colored them black. I have given the background with light blue and black. So in this drawing I am giving you a lesson. Now I am coloring earth. In the land I am coloring light green, and in the water or the ocean I am coloring light blue. The tap I have colored the silver, and I have given the background with light blue. Now I am coloring the fish. I have colored the fish, and I have colored the plastic with the silver crayons. I have used crayon for the coloring. Now I am coloring the tree with the yellow, green, dark green and little bit black. And in the branch I have done brown and yellow. And in the background I have given the red color. See friends, I have bordered with the purple, dark purple. The greatest treat to our planet is the believe them someone will save it.